In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process to optimize your YouTube channel, including a lot of key optimization features that most people miss, especially in the beginning of YouTube career. And by the way, congratulations, you are starting a YouTube channel because it is the best place in the internet to start and grow your online business. And let's begin optimizing our YouTube channel without wasting any time. Access the YouTube Studio from the menu. Then on the left-hand side, click on the settings. It will show you the pop-up. And that pop-up contains the settings to update horizontal channel settings, update default or permission, etc. And not to worry, we are going to update step by step in this video. First one is general. You can choose to see the currency. It is the currency that your channel will show once the YouTube is monetized. I'm going to select the currency as a AUD and hit the save. It will give you a small notification as changes are saved. Remember that revenue is converted from US dollar. Now that the currency has been saved, let's go to the next step. Within the setting menu, click on the channel. Locate the option to select your country of residence. For example, I'm from Australia, so I'm selecting the Australia from the list. Directly under the country selection, here is an option to add the keywords related with your YouTube channel. Input relevant keywords that best describes your channel content and your channel needs. For this, the easiest way is to get the suggestion using ChatGPT. I'm putting these keywords that I got from the ChatGPT. You can add up to 500 characters including space. If you want to take further, you can explore a tool called vidIQ, which offers a free trial for a month and also have other free perks. It helps you to discover the most effective keywords related with your YouTube channel. Check out the link below to access it and optimize your keyword selection for better visibility and engagement. Now the next step is advanced settings within the channel. Click on the advanced settings, choose whether your channel is meant for kid or not. If your channel is not intended for a kid under 13, then select no. And you can keep other settings as they are. Next is the feature eligibility, which offers multiple features as you grow your YouTube channel. First one is to verify your mobile number that allow you to upload custom thumbnails and videos up to 15 minutes. Click the save button to confirm your selection. Imagine being able to set the default settings for every video that you upload, saving your time and ensuring consistency across your content. That's exactly what YouTube's upload default setting allow you to do it. Go to upload defaults. Basically, these are the settings which will be adding to every uploads, like descriptions, tags, etc. I'm going to leave the title section blank because for every video, I'm going to change the title. I'll paste the default video description over here. I put the link of this file below in the description box. You can download it and modify as per your need. For this description, the links listed over here may not be clickable, which you can see red border while you are uploading the video on the description section. For this, what you need to do is just verify your mobile number and you are good to go. And the next setting is visibility. Visibility basically gives us options what to do when the video is uploaded. Either make it public directly or make it private or unlisted that allow us to share with links. Unlisted is great option to set up. Once you upload the video, you can share the link and get feedback from your closed one and make it public later. And the next one is tags. It will change as per the video. However, you can add default tags like this. You can preset your video title format, the descriptions, and the video tags, and that will be applied for each upload. That's cool, right? Navigate to the advanced settings. First thing is automatic chapter, which is default take, which means YouTube automatically created chapters of your videos. And the next one is license type. The standard YouTube license allow you to have rights as the owner of the video, while Creative Commons allow others to post your videos on your behalf, or basically they can copy your video. So it's better to keep right within yourself. And next option is to select the category. It is very crucial to choose your category or niche. I'm going to select how to and style over here because my videos are mostly the guide through process. Let's choose the English as a video language and put the caption certificate as a none. Select the English as a title and description language as well. You can turn on or turn off the comment section for the video over here. However, you can change these options while you are uploading the videos as well. And if you check this option, it will show the likes of that videos. Once you are satisfied with your changes, click on Save to confirm your selection. These settings will save a lot of time. Also keep in mind that you can override these settings when you upload a video. Next is to give the permissions. Let's go again to the settings and this time to the permissions. If you have more team members on your creator journey, then this feature is very useful. To invite others, click on the invite button located at the top right corner. Add the Google email address of the person that you want to invite. Specify their level of access, such as manager or editor, based on what you want them to be able to do on your channel. And hit the save button to confirm your changes. You can leave the community and agreement as default. Now what we want to do is customize our channel to get as many views as possibly can. And this is very easy process. To do so, click on the customization on the left hand side. Navigate to the features sections of your channel. Let's break it down. The video spotlight section. You can add a channel trailer and featured videos for your returning subscribers. Adding a channel trailer makes a strong impressions to new visitors, and featured videos allows returning subscribers to engage with your quality content. About the subscribers, I just remember one thing. If this video is providing value to you, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon. This will encourage me to make more videos like this for you. Let the recommendations for your viewer set to be true. Once you made these changes, click on publish to apply these changes. Next is branding sections, which I have made a step-by-step video how to make one and upload it. I'll put the video link in the description box below. Moving to the next, click on basic info. Here we can make changes like altering our channel name, handle name, subscribe button, adding links, etc. Here we can make changes altering our channel name, which we can do twice every 14 days, which I will not recommend doing so because it impacts your branding and make a confusion over your viewers and subscribers. You can also modify your YouTube handle, which is different from your username and serves as the URL of your channel. For example, in this case, the handle is PerspecTube. I'll change it to the My PerspecTube. However, not all handles will be available. So it's wise to check availability by typing your desired handle. If it shows a check mark next to it, then it means it is available. In this case, I'll keep as it is. Below that, we have a pronouns. Basically, YouTube is asking how your channel will be pronounced in different languages. When selecting the visibility options for your pronouns, you have flexibility to choose whether they are visible only to your subscribers or visible to the public. And below that, we have a description box. This is the description box for your channel. You can ask help from ChatGPT to write short description about your channel based on your channel content and your niche. I'll copy paste the description content as well. I'll put this link in the description box below. After that, we have a language. We can have a description in multiple languages, which we will leave as it is for now. Next is channel URL, which is standard YouTube URL with your unique channel ID, which serves the same purpose as your channel handle. You can scroll down to add links to your social profiles or any affiliate product links that you promote. Here you can add the subscriber links as well. And let me show you how to do that. Copy your YouTube handle and paste it over here. Then add $sub _ confirmation. It's equal to 1. Then give the link of name and subscribe. Now viewers can easily subscribe to your channel. This in turn will help you to get a couple of extra subscribers. Additionally, it is a good idea to provide a contact information like your email so that people can reach out to you. Having a contact information over here like email is crucial for potential sponsors or will create a business opportunities. Also be aware of potential spammers and hackers. So try to use different email address over here than your personal or the email address that is not linked to your channel. Now the main point, navigate to the Earn tab in YouTube Studio. You will see a different milestone over here. The first one is start your earning journey and the second one is continue to grow. The first one is start your earning journey. With this milestone, you can sell memberships, super chats, and merchandising with shopping lists. To achieve this one, you should have at least 500 subscribers and 3 videos published within 90 days. And either of 300 hours of watch time or 300 millions of shorts views within 90 days. Second milestone is continue to grow, on which YouTube will show ads on our videos and shares the revenue with us. To be eligible with this milestone, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 1 year or 10 million views of shorts within 90 days, which is tough but not impossible. Once accepted, you can start receiving regular paychecks from YouTube. For other settings, turn on 2-step verification for channel security. Below that, YouTube also offers creator supports and tools like chat and email supports, copyright match tools, information about external links in cards and in the screen. That's it. Congratulations again, you have made this far. Comment down below or give feedback to me on a comment section. Until then, stay safe and stay creative.